Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Vanisha Yoko Putri, but you can call me Fani or Yoko. I was born in Jakarta on February 8, 2009. Jakarta is my birthplace, but I moved to Bogor when I was in elementary school. Now I live in Villa Bogor Indah 3 with my parents and my little brother. My hobby is singing, listening to music, watching Netflix, and of course is dancing. I love dancing so much, whether it's traditional dance or modern dance. I love all kind of dance. So about my goals, actually I don't have any specific goals for now. So I think I want to be a nutritionist. That's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.